After entering the generation page, the first step is to upload your local video materials or input the product link. Next, fill in the product name and description. Select an appropriate AI voice and click the Generate button. The AI will automatically create the script and video. Export directly after satisfaction.
Hello fam, let's talk about audio gear today. Check out this Anchorwork M650 wireless microphone. So this thing is tiny, really small, it clips magnetically right onto your clothes. Literally, hassle-free setup, comes with a charging storage box, super handy. It's compatible with both phones and cameras, you gotta try it peeps, grab yours now.
If you want to make further edits, you can enter the editing interface. Topview offers a user-friendly online editing tool, allowing you to edit AI avatars, subtitle effects, transitions, and change scenes. Join Topview now and start your creative production journey.